Hello. I want to talk to you all today. All of you real estate agents, in Detroit, Michigan, the Metro Detroit area, Illinois, nationwide. Speaking to any and all of you. Anyone who wants to be ahead of the game, be the best agent in the area, the best in your MLS, I'm telling you, contact me, reach out to me. I'm here at my site now. It's called Reach for More. This is just an example of the type of site that I can help you with. Any real estate agent or real estate company, you guys can list your properties using these single site listings. So what this is like you can put like a single address on here. You have all your property information on here, whatever address it is. You can put the year, all the property information can be right here. It's a nice, clean setup, easily viewed. The user interface is awesome, so whether you're using it, whether a potential customer or buyer has to come to the site and visit it, it's a nice, clean, easy to use. Any questions you have, I can help you with. Any updates, we can update things on the fly. So that means from if day to day things change, or throughout the day if things change, or updates, or a drop in price, or some type of addition, a positive note, anything that can be added can be added on the fly up to the minute for the most part. So we can get things changed and up to date pretty quickly. As you can see, there's all types of information, property details. You can get very, very detailed, put in tons of pictures, tons of descriptions. You can add bullet points, take bullet points away up around it in the features section. And so it's very, very detailed, very, very nice, up-to-date, modern, technically savvy. And as I say, the user interface is nice and clean, easy to view, easy to use, easy to maneuver and find your way around the site and see and get to where you need to be. And I've gone through the top to the bottom, and like I said, it's a nice setup for single property listings. And a lot of agents do have a lot of single properties. This is a nice, smooth way, another way to sell things. A lot of people have the company sites. They're kind of cookie cutter, and everybody's looking the same. You can change these colors on here as well. It just makes it a lot easier and a lot better to have a format and have a system set up like this. So what I'm offering is these single site setups so you can sell your single property listings. You can sell them from anywhere. Right now, of course, I'm in the Detroit metro area, but you can use these throughout the country, throughout the United States. It's a nice hot item. A lot of other I'm going to be offering this to a lot of other agents, so a lot of other people are going to get a chance to view this. So if I were you, I would jump on board, get on board. And also, if you're getting sick of Zillow and Realtor.com, other places to try to get leads, I'm offering fresh leads, buyers leads, the type of people who are in the market, interested, looking to move their property, looking to buy property. So all of you agents, this is a way for you to move your properties. I'm also going to have a system set up. I'm going to be generating leads. So hopefully you can get in contact with me. Again, my site is reachformore.com, REACHFORMOOR.com. And my phone number is 313-771-0009. Again, my number is 313-771-0009. All right, I'm going to have that in the description as well, so you guys take it easy, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.